Hello everyone, myself Prince Sharma, owner of Orave Appliances India. Today I am here to introduce a new product in water purification product line. You can see this product on the screen as well. We have launched a new model which is Grand Plus. Actually, we have seen that since March 2020, we all people are facing COVID-19 problem, due to which the GDP of the whole country is declining day by day. Economic parameters of every person is very weak. So after studying the whole economic scenario of the country, we have decided to launch and give a new product with economic price range to all of you people. So I am very glad to introduce you my new product, which is Grand Plus RO model. This can be used where the raw water TDS is more than 500 ppm, because as per the WHO guidelines, below 500 ppm of TDS of water, you don't need any RO technology water purification systems. So this is the basic overview of our product. I'll tell you some details about this model and how you can buy this product. It is very easy, very simple. Just listen to listen and view this video very carefully. This is a very, you can say, very learning video for you. I'll tell you each and everything about the water purification industry and water purification product and filters I am using in my product. So first of all, I show you the product model. This is Grand Plus RO. You can see this is Grand Plus RO, Grand Plus model. This is RO plus UF plus TDS regulator model. We launched this product as a simple without pre-filter product, but for first 100 customers we are giving this pre-filter as a free of cost kit. This is pre-filter. This is used to filter out heavy particles, heavy sand particles and dust particles as well as algae from the water. This is very necessary filter system to save the life of other filters like other inline filters and RO membrane and head of pump. This is very useful filter. This filter must be installed prior to every RO water purifier. So for first lucky 100 customers we are giving this pre-filter set absolutely free. This can be shown on the screen as well. You can see this. So this is the pre-filtration stage. Second thing, I'll tell you about the material I am using. First of all, about the booster pump I am using in this model. This is the booster pump. This is of Grand Forest model. Very reputed two companies are using this model in their water purifiers. I cannot tell you, I cannot disclose their names in this video, but you must know. You can search it on the Google. The same pump I am using in my product. Second thing, about the pressure, about the intake, about the pressure per square inch of this product, this booster pump, it is very good, it is very high, and life of this booster pump is very high. I can say the life of this pump can be up to 10 years, depending upon the situation of raw water, depending upon the service conditions you will bear, whether you will go for regular service or not. Okay, next thing, this is RO membrane. I am using completely sealed RO membrane. This is totally leakage free RO membrane. and it can work up to 2500, yes, 2500 ppm of raw water TDS. It can reject up to 95% of TDS of water, right? Very high quality RO membrane we are using in this model as well as in our other models. Next thing is about the inlines. I'll tell you the inlines. Inline filters, basically there are two inlines we are all people are incorporating in their models. First is sediment filter, second is pre-carbon filter. About the sediment filter, very fine particles are filtered out by using this sediment filter, which is incorporated inside the cabinet of each RO system. We are using very high quality sediment filter. Second, pre-carbon filter, pre-carbon inline filter, we are using 1100 IV iodine value of activated carbon granules which are put inside this housing. If I'll tell you one technical thing about the carbon filter, if the iodine value of carbon filter is higher, then the probability of absorption of bad smell and odor out from the water by the pre-carbon filter is very higher. So we are using 1100 IV of pre-carbon filter in our model. Also the same thing is incorporated, is being used in this model. Next is about the SMPS. We are using Accord make SMPS, which is very reliable, very renowned company in the field of SMPS manufacturing. We are using the same SMPS in our product for high reliability. Next thing is post carbon stage. Same, the post carbon stage, the post carbon we are using in this model is of 1100 IV value. Next thing is TDS, total dissolved solids regulation. We need to regulate the TDS of water after the purification by the RO membrane. So we have incorporated, I'll show you, we have incorporated some TDS adjuster. TDS adjuster, you can see this, I have marked by my finger. This is a TDS adjuster, you can see the TDS regulator. This can be used to adjust the TDS level. As per the conditions and about the pure and healthy water, the TDS should be set to from 150 to 200 ppm. This is a, you can say, the very pure and healthy water you will be getting at this TDS level. So we are using all the things, all the raw material of good quality, and we are giving this product at very economic price range that will not bother your pocket at all, and you will lead a healthy life, because this is the, you can say, the time of COVID-19 has learned each and every people to save their lives by eating or drinking pure and healthy. Every person wants to get away from the diseases, and this can be possible if you are taking healthy food, healthy drinks, and maximum 70% of water you are taking every day in your meal. So first priority of your life is to drink pure and healthy water. So to fulfill your need, we decided to launch this product at very economic price, and you can buy this product from your home. You can call us on the number I have shown in this video, which is 90535223333. You can write us to our email ID. You can visit our website, which is shown on the screen. You can see this. You can buy our product in very simple manner. You will call on this number, our representative will receive your call. Just ask him, you have to buy this model, and just give all your details like your name, your mobile number, your complete address detail with zip code and the state. Just give all these details to that person. We will send you a performa invoice, and we will send you the payment details or payment link to which you can put payment online, and we will send you that product, completely packed and wrapped product at your given address, and this will be safely delivered by our transports. We are giving this facility to all over India. And further, regarding the installation of this product is on chargeable basis. We are so many tie-ups with our service centers all over India. We will give you the service installation. And regarding after sale service, you can contact us or the local service provider. He will visit you on timely basis after 3 to 4 months for the regular service, and he will give you the service. You have to give some nominal charges to get your product serviced better. One more thing, you can buy spare parts like the filters and other things from us via online media. We are always here to serve you. So you can buy all the spare parts. If you are thinking that the spare parts will not be there for you to get the service of your product, it is absolutely wrong. We are always here. You can purchase all the spare parts via online media. We will send you the details for the payment as well as the billing details, and we will send you the spare parts via courier or our transport. So it is very easy to buy this product from us. Actually, we want to serve all you people throughout India at very economical prices. That was our aim to launch this product. Further, I'll show you what is this. This is a kit. This is a kit for installation. This kit is absolutely free with this model. I'll show you in this kit which items we are giving to you. This is a spanner. This spanner is used for opening up the pre-filter. You can open it up and you can service it by on your own. You can buy pre-filters from us or from the market, and you can change this filter on regular basis. After 3 to 4 months, you can check it. After 1 to 2 months, if this is very dirty, then you can change it. And this spanner is very useful. This is absolutely free with this product. Next is, this is a set of some plastic inserts, some screws, or Teflon tape, and you can see this angle valve and ball valve. This arrangement is used to install an RO at your home. These plastic inserts are used to hang this RO and pre-filter on the wall with the help of screws. And this angle and ball valve is used to connect the water supply to your system. This is absolutely free. This is chrome tap. This is absolutely free with this model. Next is bunch of 3 types of tubings. These are some plastic pipes. Blue pipe is for reject water, and one is 1/4 white pipe. This is for connecting your raw water from pre-filter, and one is 3/8 pipe tubing. This is used to connect your raw water to pre-filter. This is absolutely free. This set is absolutely free. And This is the warranty card. This is the user manual with the kit, and there are some other pamphlets showing other products we are dealing in. So all these things are absolutely free with this product. To register your warranty, I show you. After installation, after getting installed your product, you have to do one thing. You have to fill all your details in this customer warranty registration form, and just click this form and send to the customer care number via WhatsApp. We will register your warranty for all the electrical parts and other needs, and we will share you a warranty registration certificate, via which you will be sure to get after sales service and the warranty of your parts of your product. So I'll tell you regarding the warranty. In the warranty, we are giving 12 months all electrical parts warranty, in which we have covered booster pump, SMPS, and one solenoidal valve and float valve. All these electrical components are covered under warranty. If anything is mishappening from all the four parts, you can call us. Our engineer will confirm this thing, whether it is manufacturing defect or something other kind of defect. We will tell you what to do next. You have to courier us that faulty part. We will send you a new part, and our service engineer, or you can get the same thing from other service engineer. If you have the link, then that person will change that faulty part. This is very simple to get the service, to get the warranty of the faulty part. There is no bother. So I am very glad to make this video for you people, because my aim is to give you better product, highly reliable product at very economic price. And earlier, all the models we are dealing in the market are having prices more than this product, but this is very economic, and you can say the highly reliable at economic value product. So don't waste your time. If you need water purifier to be installed at your home, or refer this video, refer this product to your other nears and dears who may need this product. So after these few words, I'll end up with this video, and let's meet in the next video with some new products, with some new offers if we will be giving to you, and my aim is to give you maximum profit from our product with maximum utilization of service. Thank you very much. Bye. Namaste.